Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce application downtime with new Relic, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce application downtime with new Relic, begin by setting up your new Relic account. Create your account on the new Relic website and choose the appropriate plan for your needs. Once your account is created, log in to the new Relic dashboard. Next, install the new Relic browser agent on your application. Access the installation instructions specific to your application type. Copy the provided script and place it in the head section of your HTML. After installation, verify that the browser agent is successfully reporting data. Now, proceed to install the new Relic APM agent for your server-side application. Choose the language your application is built with, and follow the corresponding installation guides. After installation, configure the APM agent with your new Relic license key. Restart your application to ensure the agent is running properly. Once the APM is active, navigate to the APM section in the new Relic dashboard. Analyze the performance metrics to identify bottlenecks in your application. Look for slow transaction traces and error rates that may indicate potential downtime sources. Set up alerts for application errors and high response times to stay informed of issues. Customize your alert conditions to match the thresholds critical for your application's performance. Next, integrate new Relic with your incident management systems for streamlined operations. Utilize the logs in new Relic to gain additional insights into application errors. Review the logs to understand the context of failures or performance issues. Analyze the infrastructure monitoring features for server-related problems that could cause downtime. Set up automatic scaling policies based on the application traffic patterns to manage load efficiently. Regularly review application performance trends to detect any emerging issues proactively. Consider conducting performance testing to simulate high-traffic scenarios. This will help you identify how your application behaves under stress. Finally, continuously iterate on your monitoring and alerting configurations. Stay updated with new Relic's new features to leverage the latest optimizations. With consistent monitoring and adjustments, you can if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.